The human gut is home to trillions of bacteria. But did you know these tiny microbes might control more than just digestion? What if your anxiety, brain fog, or even depression wasn't all in your head, but in your gut? For decades, mental health and gut health were thought to be separate. But now, research is proving a shocking connection between the two. Scientists call the gut the second brain because it's packed with millions of nerve cells that communicate directly with your brain. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. Your gut produces many of the same chemicals your brain needs to regulate mood, energy, and focus. That means an unhealthy gut isn't just causing bloating or stomach pain. It could be the reason for your low energy, anxiety, or even depressive episodes. So, how does this work? Your gut and brain are constantly talking through something called the gut-brain axis. This is a direct communication line between your digestive system and central nervous system, sending signals back and forth all day long. One of the main pathways for this communication is the vagus nerve, a long nerve that runs from your brain all the way down to your intestines. When your gut is healthy, this system works perfectly. Your brain gets the right signals. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine are produced at normal levels, and you feel mentally sharp, emotionally balanced, and full of energy. But when the gut is inflamed, out of balance, or overloaded with harmful bacteria, the entire system starts to break down. Brain fog, mood swings, chronic fatigue, and even more serious mental health issues like depression and anxiety can all be linked to gut dysfunction. And it gets worse. Studies show that over 90% of serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and well-being, is made in the gut, not the brain. If your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body might not be producing enough serotonin, leading to feelings of sadness, irritability, or even hopelessness. Dopamine, the chemical responsible for motivation and pleasure, is also heavily influenced by the gut. This means that gut issues could be directly affecting your ability to feel happy, focused, or motivated in everyday life. So, what's throwing your gut out of balance in the first place? There are a few major culprits. First, diet plays a massive role. Processed foods, artificial sweeteners, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can destroy good bacteria and allow harmful bacteria to take over. When the gut microbiome becomes imbalanced, it can lead to chronic inflammation, which affects not just digestion, but brain function as well. Think about the last time you ate a meal full of processed foods. Did you feel sluggish or irritable afterward? That's your gut-brain axis at work. The second major issue is stress. Chronic stress weakens the gut lining, making it easier for toxins and bad bacteria to leak into your bloodstream. This triggers inflammation throughout the body, including in the brain, leading to cognitive issues, fatigue, and increased anxiety. In fact, studies show that high levels of stress can alter gut bacteria in just 24 hours, leading to a cascade of negative effects on mood and mental clarity. Then there's the problem of antibiotics and overuse of medications. While antibiotics are sometimes necessary, they don't just kill harmful bacteria, they wipe out the good bacteria too. This can leave your gut vulnerable to harmful microbes, leading to long-term imbalances that affect everything from digestion to mental well-being. But here's the good news. You can restore your gut and take control of your mental health naturally. The first step is focusing on gut-friendly foods. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt contain probiotics, live bacteria that help replenish and balance your gut microbiome. These foods can boost serotonin production and improve mood regulation naturally. Fiber is another key player. Foods like leafy greens, berries, flax seeds, and legumes act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and helping them thrive. And if you want to reset your gut quickly, cutting out processed sugar and artificial sweeteners can make a huge difference. Studies show that artificial sweeteners can disrupt gut bacteria in just a few days, leading to increased cravings, mood swings, and even higher stress levels. But gut health isn't just about what you eat, it's also about managing stress. Simple practices like mindful breathing, meditation, or even just taking a walk in nature can reduce stress hormones and strengthen the gut-brain connection. Deep breathing, for example, activates the vagus nerve, helping to calm both the brain and the gut. Getting enough quality sleep is another critical factor. Poor sleep has been linked to shifts in gut bacteria, leading to increased stress, lower serotonin levels, and more difficulty regulating emotions. If you've ever had a bad night's sleep and felt moody or unfocused the next day, your gut played a role in that. So, what's the big takeaway? Your gut isn't just controlling digestion, it's influencing your mood, energy, and overall mental well-being. By nourishing it with the right foods, reducing stress, and making simple lifestyle changes, you can transform not only your physical health, but also your mental clarity and emotional stability. If this video opened your eyes to the power of gut health, hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips that can transform your life.